Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can edit your voice in a video with a trembling effects on CapCut. So here, after you import your clips to CapCut, you can just click on it and at the toolbar here, swipe until you find the voice effects. Okay, and then click on scene here and choose Tremble. So click on that, and then in here you can adjust the frequency and also the amplitude. You can just adjust it into your liking. I'm going to go with 80 to the frequency and the amplitude 100. Okay, so it will sound like that. Click on the check icon when you're done and the effect will be saved. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll catch you all on the following videos. Bye.